Good morning, day 24 from Everest Base Camp. So we flew in yesterday on a heli. It was quite a tough night, cold night last night. We're up, it's a beautiful morning, but I wanted to show you these amazing views of the Khumbu Icefall. And this is what we've got to climb up to get into Everest. Now you can't see Everest because it's hidden behind Nuptse, which is the big mountain on the right. But we climb up that icefall into Everest, and then we'll hit camp 1, and then we proceed camp 2, camp 3, etc. Everest Base Camp is beautiful. There's these incredible ice blocks just jutting up from the ground. Really beautiful.